Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sitole, and today we are making these yummy boneless skinless thighs. This is our thighs, guys, already cleaned, just ready to be spiced. These are the ingredients: mixed spice, barbecue spice, veggie seasoning, roast chicken seasoning, and I also have 3 cloves of garlic, like fresh garlic. Well, if you don't have fresh garlic, you can use your garlic flakes. You can use your powdered garlic. It doesn't matter, guys, as long as you have garlic. And oil. I am now gonna take just a teaspoon of each spice and mix it with my garlic and my oil. Just mix everything together. Guys, you can use whatever spices you have in your house. I'm using these spices because this is what I have in my house. Another thing, if you don't have oil, you can always use your butter. Remember, guys, these are skinless thighs, so if you just put them straight with no oil, they're gonna dry, so you need some oil. And I'm gonna put about 6 or 7 teaspoons of my oil, my olive oil, or any oil of your choice. And just mix everything together. And now I'm just adding in everything. At this point, guys, you can even go in with your hands, and it's even better if you go in with your hands. It's just that today I was not in the mood, so I'm just making sure that each and every piece of my meat is coated nicely. Now this is what we have. So now, guys, I'm just gonna let my chicken sit for about an hour, because I don't have time. If I had time, I was gonna let it rest for even overnight. You can just throw it in the fridge if you have time and let it rest. But I didn't have enough time. I just rested it for 20 minutes. And now it's good to go in the oven. It's looking so yummy already. It smells amazing already. So, guys, I'm going to use this baking tray to bake my chicken. Just gonna transfer each and every piece and just lay it nicely on my baking tray. Oven is already preheating 190, and I'm gonna bake my thighs on 190. So I'm gonna bake this for a good 25 minutes, not too long, guys, because remember, these are skinless thighs. So if you bake them too much or if you grill them too much, they are going to dry. and we don't want that. Still want them juicy and yummy. This is what we have. The chicken is ready to go in the oven. Okay, I'm just adding just a little bit of my mixed spice. Just not too much, just a little bit on top. So now my tray is going to the oven for 25 minutes. Our tray is out of the oven. The chicken is out of the oven, guys. Look at this. It looks so yummy. It's still juicy, not dry. And this is what's so important, because you do too much, the chicken is gonna dry. Still wants it juicy and yummy. Look at this, guys. I'm loving it. Oh my god, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Guys, I'm not okay, but I said I need to make this video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna continue supporting your girl. I love you guys so much. Goodbye, you guys. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Love you so much. Bye.